Hi, this is how to get 99,999 bells on Animal Crossing in in less every like 5 minutes. Just go on Animal Crossing. Just so you know, I am a boy, but I made this file for my sister, so I'm gonna have to be a girl. So yeah. So this is my sister's. Oh, it's not my sister's file. I just made it for her. So go on Animal Crossing. Go on your account. I have all my money. Go all the way. To the city hall. Then go to the bank, deposit, then deposit all of your money, and save. Go back to the Wii menu. Oh, and you have to have at least 20,000 bells for this able to work. So you have to deposit at least 20,000 bells for this to work. Go on Wii settings, calendar, date, change it all the way to 2035. Go back on Animal Crossing. And it would say 2035. And after you do all that, you should get a mail. Go in the mail. Oh, I just got this. I was pulling out my summer clothes and I found some of your old clothes mixed in with mine. I'm sending them. Okay, so you should get this one. First, I'm just gonna get this. So we're gonna go here. We appreciate your business and hope that you are satisfied with our service. You have earned 99,999 bells in interest. So that means, like, here's my other one. you're still gonna have 0. So you would think you have your money. So you have to go all the way back. Go all the way back to the town hall. Go back in the bank and withdraw. You'll have more money than you had.
3, 7, 2, 4, 2, 4.
Like, I don't have enough room on. Yeah, let's put those on. And then you can get all of your
7,
money.
4, 4, 2, 5.
And then you'll only be able to hold 9,999 here. But like you can't do it anymore because you can't put hundreds in there. So then you'll get another one of these. And then you can keep doing it and doing it and doing it. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.